Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Volvo XC90. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. On your car's Sensus infotainment screen, tap the Settings icon. From there, navigate to Communication and then select Bluetooth to start the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for establishing a wireless link between your device and the vehicle. Next, on your XC90 display, choose Add Device to prompt the car to search for available phones. Once your phone appears in the list, select it. A 6-digit PIN will then be shown on both your phone and the car's screen. Verify that these numbers match exactly, then confirm the pairing on both devices. Your phone should now be wirelessly connected for calls and media. For Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, connect your phone using a USB cable to the white outlined USB port, typically found in the center console. Ensure Siri is active for Apple CarPlay, or the Android Auto app is installed for Android devices. Accept any terms and conditions on the Sensus display and your phone. The respective app icon will then appear on your car's screen, allowing full access to compatible phone features. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both your phone and the XC90 infotainment system. Always keep your phone's operating system and apps updated for best compatibility. For optimal performance, consider deleting old or unused paired devices from your car's Bluetooth settings. Remember, only one phone can be actively connected via Bluetooth at a time, though multiple can be paired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.